Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing of the Asus Vivobook laptop. Here at the front it says "Wow the world." It's pretty plain packaging. Yeah, just got Asus on this side, and on the back just says like some specs and all that. Yeah, I'll just open it now. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I think I opened this wrong, but let's just keep going anyways. Oh. Okay, it's a bit dodgy how I opened it. And I'll just yeah, okay. Yeah, there we go. The Vivobook environment, and here's the laptop itself. It comes with this protective like film cover. Take it out, and here is the laptop. You got a sticker like highlighting some of its like best features. What really stood out to me is like the 100% DCI-P3. So like the color accuracy on it is pretty much like professional standards. Yeah, Pantone validated precision. Then yeah, like 70% less harmful blue light. You got full CPU and GPU performance because this version does have the RTX 3050 in it. So if you're like using it for processing or like any like video or like any creative like design and stuff like that, it should be like pretty good for it. Yeah, like it's got like optimized drivers and yeah, designed for Adobe. So yeah, if you're using it for design, this is like pretty much what you want. And it's got like Asus won a best laptop brand in 2020, and it's got an OLED display. So I'll just remove this. Okay. I'll open up the laptop now. Then we can look at the like other stuff in the box later on. Oh, this other way around. Sorry. Oh yeah, it says Asus Vivobook here as well. It's I'm not sure if it's like, I think it's plastic, but it feels like really premium. Okay. So another cover for the keyboard. And here it is. You can see by the stickers it uses the Ryzen 9 series. The Ryzen 9 5000 series, and he's like RTX 3050, and like as I said, Pantone validated. Here's like the laptop. Is this a cover or? Oh yeah, you can cover the camera if you want. Like, can you see like the orange bit? Yeah. So if you're like worried about privacy or anything, just cover it, you know. Here's the keyboard. I'll just like give it a feel. Yeah, it feels pretty tactile for like a laptop keyboard. It's probably because it's new, but yeah, pretty solid. It's like a smaller keyboard, like no number pad or anything. It has a glossy display. It's an OLED as well, so it's gonna look super, like the contrast would be amazing. Alright, let's look at the other stuff in the box. You have this little like envelope. Let's have a look. What's on it? Oh, you got stickers for it. So yeah, main. Get all of it. Yeah. From what I'm like seeing from like Plus environment and say like, so seeing from that, it's like they've made it like a big factor to use like recycled stuff. Like, you can tell from the box as well, like cardboard and everything. But they got a bunch of stickers here as well, which is always appreciated. Warranty card, yeah. Oh, they're just like to connect your phone and the PC, and just like the apps that you can like connect your laptop with, and just a bunch of like like Asus specific software and like whatnot. What is this? Oh, just a user guide. Yeah, I won't go through it. I'll just have a flicker around, but like I flick through it, and yep. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so this is the charging like brick. It's like pretty big, 120 watts. Well, I'll try and remove this protective film. Do I unplug it? Oh no. It's over here. Oh, I just removed one side. Sorry, I'm struggling a little bit. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, 120 watts, pretty hefty thing. Just a bunch of information here. Yeah. And here's like the to plug it into your wall socket. You just like combine these two, like here. Pretty straightforward. Well, I'll show you guys the ports of the laptop. So it's got two USB ports on the left hand side. On the right hand side, another USB. It's just this is charging port, I believe. Wait, is it? Yeah. Okay. HDMI. Is this Type C? I think this is Type C or Thunderbolt. I'm not sure. SD card and a 3.5mm headphone jack. I'll show you the bottom of the laptop. Yeah, you can see like the grills. So it has like adequate cooling, and yeah. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Asus Vivobook 15 Pro or 14 Pro. Sorry, 14 Pro.